We've been wanting to do that for a while. Fucking trail, boy. What's going on, everybody? So today we got a different video for you guys. My homie Jacob just picked me up and we're gonna be tearing apart his 50. Gonna strip her down, right down the frame, clean the frame up, paint it, paint the motor, kind of like what we did in my Fiddy. So should be sick. Just waiting for the fucker right now.
Always done something wrong. You put up with my shit just way too long.
Just showed up, but don't load 50, get on some shit, check out the shop. Nope. Starting tearing on the bike right now. Fucking cunt. Don't go shoot through it. Yeah, get one some shitty bullets, but. After this full. Yeah, and your gas tank. Gas is on, right?
Ah!
She'll get it.
Oh, it's not.
Strip plastics off quick. Fucking pipe is snazzy.
Grab that bolt there.
Yep, 14.
Should I just take that out this way there?
Nah, I wouldn't worry about it. Just pull your chain off. Or you don't even have to pull your chain off, just pull it out of the way.
Might as well take this tag off. Might be in a paint here. Might as well grab fucking.
How easy is it to take off your wiring? Holy fuck, that's on there.
Yeah, no doubt, eh?
Here, just clamp around and try to spin it. There we go. So you break that fucking seal. It's sketchy that that's plastic though. So,
Straight fucked, eh?
how bad?
So gas line?
Oh yeah, no, I told you, man. It's rotten as shit. Nothing left of it whatsoever. Here, I'm gonna make a fucking point that there's a ground right there. The green wire goes to there. That just goes there. Just so we keep our shit straight. Holy shit! That paint is gorgeous.
Blue?
That blue with the metallic flake, that's gorgeous.
40 grand.
Yeah, they hold their fucking value. And you got Advanced Sports on it, nice. Good. I like those tires.
20,000 clicks on it.
Yeah.
Bought it.
I bought the same tires for my Lexus. I used them, I burnt them off, but they were fucking grippy. I couldn't get them to spin unless I like really roasted them first and got them nice and hot.
Oh, yeah,
But then they just delammed like no tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Take it easy, man. Good, Mark. Oh, dude, you gotta get like you can get like a diffuser that goes right here. That like fucking just the fins that go down.
Or the fins.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna race it.
You're just gonna keep it clean?
Maybe a spoiler and that's it.
I love this body line though, so much. I'm gonna do flares on my Lexus.
The winter tires are like this skinny, so they're way in the wheel well.
Yeah.
They look fucking weird.
See shit. That's so dope though. That's the interior, like, is that a lock?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's 6 speeds?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, you got the 6. So you got CD09, then that's fucking dope. I want to do CD.
Correct.
I bet. I think it's CD09. That's so savage. I love the gauge pods in the dash too. It's hilarious. It's fucking mint, dude. That's awesome. You've been talking about 350s and shit for years, so.
I know. Finally got a 70 brand
Fucking
new.
Z, man. That's so cool. Oh, dude, the projectors and everything. Yeah, they're all. That's fleek.
Oh, I just like the colors. I bought it off my cousin.
Holy fuck, how tight is it? Fucking Jesus.
Hey, you get the plate back from Lincoln?
No.
Oh.
What's going on with that? You
I
just
went to his house twice, it wasn't home. Just give me my trailer park bike.
Trailer park.
No, you're gonna
When I go camping.
you're gonna rip some mini moto with me, right?
When I go camping.
I'm gonna take mine to the fuck whenever I go drifting in Shannonville too.
Put a fucking shirt on.
It's hot in here.
Jacob gotta keep the grease here. That's what he's here for. You little fucking greasy bastard is.
Getting better looking, right?
It's not gonna be perfect, but the paint.
Renee, you wanna get your hands dirty? No.
Basket. Sand.
With an ice cold beer, working so fucking hard that I forget. Will she fuck me yet?
Got a fucking shit ton done. Homie's fucking masking her the fuck up. Fucking.
Get over it.
It's greasy, but she'll do it. Just scuffing the fucking frame up a little bit, clean it up so we can spray it. Wrap around that, something around that
All
shock.
for fucking CRF.
Oh, you're fucking
Big boy spring.
big boy spring.
Yeah.
It's that real 50 shit, you know? It's not like my 50 shit. My 50 shit ain't real 50 shit. Mine's the size of a CRF 100 for fuck's sakes.
You want to do the sprockets and shit too?
No, they should be fine. If they just cleaned up nice, they'll be fine. I'd like to pop your chain off though, so we can get that out of the way. They're making it a lot easier.
One.
But yeah, like my Renthal.
Yeah, or fucking to match. Cause I'm painting it all black, maybe even a gold one or something.
Oh,
That'd be dope.
That would be dope. Fucking got just put every fucking part
fucking
off the
shit
bike.
everywhere. We look like fucking rednecks here, but
We'll get her fucking sorted. That's
Yeah,
fucking
yeah.
hilarious that you got that mask off, man. It's gonna be a sick little ripper though.
Fucking great.
You got the plastics. It's got the plastics
See how much
painted.
pussy this thing's gonna get?
Got the plastics primered. Doing it the greasy way, spraying them. Ready for paint? She's just about there. Give her a quick little wipe down and should be fucking dandy. It's better than before.
Is it on yet? Is it on yet? Is it on yet?
Do you love me?
Jailer pop shit. I'll show you the quick one. It's sand your bike. I made it thin.
Yeah, this flipper though is tricky as fuck.
What?
That flipper is tricky as fuck.
Oh, I know, I bet. It's looking good though. You handling it? Last final wipe down and ready for paint.
Wipe that bitch down, boy!
Wipe it! There's not much in it, but it'll probably last.
Really? Oil. That's like extra.
dry for a bit. She's looking fucking mean. Hell yeah. Jacob, we gonna put that thing back together? Jacob! Gang, 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 gang. Jacob! He's not listening to me. He's not listening to me. Time to unwrap this thing and see how she looks. Hopefully she's looking good. Hopefully. Not gonna be perfect. Looks 10 times better. Oh, fuck, she's the that wiring's in the way, but I don't know. Yeah, dude, I say we resand them, repaint them, or just run it the way it is and buy some new plastics down the road. You know? Even the frame on some spots you can see a lot of dust, but there's nothing you can do about it, man. Happens. Pretty well all we could do on the fucking 50 today.
Yeah, we got a lot of traffic, a lot of fucking dust.
She's looking fucking mean though, man. It does look so much better.
One thing at a time. It's dope, took us about 2 hours,
We're
man.
gonna have to turn around.
About 20 bucks.
Can of paint, fucking little bit of sanding.
If you know anybody in Canada that's got a fucking throttle cable for a pro taper, let me know.
Really be looking for that. Pro taper don't got a lot of dealers in our area anymore, so we've been struggling. Fucking tall
Next
seat.
up, some seat, tags.
Coming in.
Oh, truck, yeah.
Oh fuck yeah. See you guys next video, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Hey, take it easy. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. We got you. We out here. We out here.